Hi folks, today I want to talk about Panasonic and OM Digital. I got some early rumors about something that is cooking that could be interesting. Still nothing really super solid yet, but I think it's about time we are going to discuss those kind of wild speculation and rumors. First of all, let's kick off with a rumor shared by How to Fly on X. He's actually a reliable source. Most of the time he has been wrong 2 times in the past years, so the accuracy is something like 95%, so that you know that sometimes he was also off. And he shared a quick message on X where he said that next week Panasonic will have an announcement. That's all he said. He didn't share any details, so we don't know what's coming, and my trusted source didn't share anything as of yet. What's really odd is that this is the week before the Christmas week, and usually no company ever did announce new cameras in that time frame. So I'm doing this job since 2008 and never had an announcement the week before Christmas. So this is kind of odd and makes me think that maybe the announcement is something minor, or like something like a teaser or something else. So not the real, for example, full frame camera or new micro four thirds camera and so forth. So I think just that's a guess, and my speculation is that this is something smaller. And two sources, new sources, sent me two info the past 2 days. So I'm sharing the info right now for you, but keep in mind those are coming from new sources, could be completely BS, but that's all I got. So let's first share the info and then discuss what is more likely to happen. One source said that the next announcement is for a new Lumix TZ compact camera to compete against the Canon SX740 and the G7X series. It will be in stock towards end of Q1 next year. So this is what that source says, and this makes sense. I mean, I have no evidence to confirm or deny this rumor, but certainly those kind of compact camera announcements are minor announcements and could as well happen before Christmas, so that's a possible scenario. And another source shared, again a new source, shared an info that is way more exciting and could also make sense. Again, no clue yet if this is becoming true, but he told me that the incoming announcement from Lumix is a teaser for multiple cameras that will be announced in January. We know that Panasonic will have a major press event in early January. I don't know if they will announce new cameras on that event, but they did it a couple of times in the past. So this is a possible scenario. No indication yet from trusted sources if this is really going to happen, but having a teaser before Christmas for cameras coming in January is possible. So those are the two things that I got, but again, nothing solid. The only thing we know is that some sort of Panasonic announcement will happen next week, and maybe in the next couple of hours or days I will be able to get some more solid information. But me personally, I hope this is going to be a teaser for a Panasonic S1H2 and S1R2 announcement in early January. When it comes to facts, we know that Panasonic did register a new camera in Asia. This means that at least one camera is definitely coming within the next couple of months, 2, 3, 4 months at max. So definitely there is one camera coming. And from trusted sources, I know that the S1R2 was definitely on the roadmap. My bet is that the S1R2 will be announced in January, February, March, and this will be likely the first S camera coming in 2025. But maybe there's also the S1H2 coming at the same time. That still I don't know. So that's when it comes to Panasonic. So if you're a micro four thirds shooter, you're probably wondering where's the news here for you. I didn't get any info about any Panasonic MFD camera. I would love to get some sort of very compact new MFD camera. I own the GM1, love that very compactness of the micro four thirds camera. I think they should do it. I think Panasonic manager one time said they are considering doing it, but I didn't get any info. The info I got for micro four thirds shooter here is that OM Digital seems to be preparing a launch of a new camera. I got, in this case, a couple of indications that this is going to happen, and I'm working on the rumors. I got a bit more than I'm telling to you today, but if this is becoming true, it could be certainly be a very interesting model. That's all I can share. So not something unexciting has the potential to be exciting. So, and that's a rumor I'm really working on, and I hope to get a confirmation in the next days, weeks, and then I will share it. I already got the name of the camera, if it's true, and some possible specs, and I hope this is going to be true, become true. Then this is definitely a Micro Four Thirds camera that is interesting. Let's say this, but again, I want to give some hope to Micro Four Thirds shooters, because I know they're living through a difficult time because there are not many new lenses and cameras coming, although we got a GH7, which I think is a tremendous camera from Panasonic. But I know Micro Four Thirds is struggling, and actually I think there's a potential for a comeback, because the youngster, they really love compact cameras that are affordable, and I think that they don't care about high megapixel or full frame aps-c. They want to have something that is easy to carry, easy to use, has some sort of built-in film styles, and that's something Micro Four Thirds could offer. Imagine the Pen F or cameras like this, if they would be optimized for the younger generation, I think they could sell quite well. That's my opinion, but yeah, I think that camera from OM Digital could appeal to those people, more or less. It's not a Pen F2, by the way, so let's see if this is going to happen. So but 2025 will be a very make it or break it year for Micro Four Thirds in general. That's my opinion, because OM Digital really has to prove that they are serious in the system and not only going for a Pentax philosophy where they only do small updates every couple of years and that's it, and new lenses are basically Sigma lenses in OM Digital housing. That is not a strategy that will work. I think being innovative pays off, and Pentax did show it with the Pentax 17 half frame film camera that is selling hot. I think that's what we need, innovation. Then people will spend the money to buy those new ideas that can give you a new kind of photography, okay, a new kind of experience, which is nice. Okay, sorry if I didn't share any more details, but I'm just saying that something is coming from both Panasonic and OM Digital. And if you happen to have more info, you can contact me using the email address here and the contact form. It's, as you know, anonymous. Use a nickname so that I can recognize you in future. Know that if your rumor turns out to be true and you keep using the same nickname, next time I can speed up the process to publish the news, the rumor you're sharing. And fingers crossed, folks, that in early January we will get new cameras from both Panasonic and OM Digital. That would be quite a nice start in the year. And that's about it, folks, for today. Hope that soon, next week, I can share some more updates. So therefore, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and I see you soon.